Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by sorting and loading correctly so the machine can clean efficiently. Once you've checked pockets and closed zippers, load garments loosely. Do not cram. Add measured detergent into the correct dispenser. Make sure to follow the detergent label and your washer's markings for high efficiency or standard formulas. If using fabric softener or bleach, add to the specific compartments. Start with a suitable wash cycle for fabric type and soil level, so the washer knows temperature and agitation it should use. Now set cycle details to match the load. You choose normal, delicate, heavy, or quick based on fabric and soil. This determines agitation and time. Once done, select water temperature, hot for whites, warm for blended loads, cold for bright colors, and pick the spin speed, higher for towels, lower for knits. Make sure to add options like pre-wash for very dirty items or extra rinse to remove detergent. If your washer has soil level controls, increase them for stubborn stains to extend wash time. When the cycle ends, remove clothes promptly to avoid wrinkles and odor. Reshape wet items and transfer to dryer or air dry according to labels. Make sure to wipe the door gasket and clean the detergent drawer periodically. Leave the door slightly open to let the drum dry. If you see an error code or the washer won't drain, first make sure the drain hose isn't kinked. Check the lint filter and pump access. Then reset power by unplugging for 60 seconds before running a diagnostic cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.